Hi guys, welcome to another SMT tutorial video. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Syndicate, an all-in-one application built to find, track, and farm verified airdrops without getting hit by scams. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat, which is built on the MEXC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. So guys, first download the Syndicate application either from your App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you have, and set it up. Once done, you'll have an interface like this, okay? So guys, remember we are here to learn how to track and farm airdrops. So tap events and then tap the little icon beside it. So you then tap airdrop, scroll downwards, tap active, and then tap apply. So guys, you could see a score beside all the airdrop, okay? So score is an indicator of the quality and popularity of a particular project. The higher the score, the better, okay? So let's scroll downwards. Let's tap on this beat robot. So guys, you go through the information and make decisions based on your own research, okay? You could see that it started on the 13th of August 2026. Scrolling downwards, we have dollar symbols, which shows an estimate of how rewarding this activity can be. Then the success rate shows the percentage of users who have successfully completed the task, and the rating is Syndicate's overall assessment of the project. That's its quality, reliability, and reward potential. So guys, the Tutors score beneath that is it actually reflects on the quality and influence of the project's audience, okay? Then scrolling downwards, we have investors. That's funds and backers that have invested in this project. A strong investor list can signal high credibility, okay? So once you pick a project, Syndicate gives you a step-by-step guide on how to perform the tasks. You could see this particular project has 5 tasks. Here's the guide right here. You just tap on open the full guide to utilize it fully, okay? You just follow the checklist, complete the actions, and stack up your sane points along the way. Syndicate also gives you clear project information and advice straight from the team, so you know exactly what you are backing before you spend a dime. You could see about information about the project, and here is a page of advice. You go through that, okay? So another interesting feature is that Syndicate informs you of upcoming snapshot deadlines. Let's head back to the home page. So all you have to do is just tap this calendar tab on your home page and you'll never miss a payout, okay? You could see token plays and Syndicate hosting live and everything you need to know to avoid missing deadlines. That's basically it about Syndicate, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope the video was helpful. Feel free to drop your questions or comment in the comment section, and don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye. See you in the next video.